Hi, I'm Tom from Apex. What we have here is a 2016 Ford Explorer. Came to us, it had, the paint needed a little bit of attention. It had some whistling noises, so we had to replace some weather stripping in this vehicle. Some of the leather was cracking that we replaced in the interior. But the big showstopper on this one is the Ceramic Pro Gold. So Ceramic Pro Gold actually is two parts. One is prep and one is actually coating. So we spent about 8 hours buffing and polishing the paint, getting rid of all the swirls and imperfections, making the paint as good as it could possibly be. And then we started the coating process. We did actually 4 coats of 9/8 ceramic, 1 hour in between each coat. And what that does is that hardens the clear coat and makes it less susceptible to damage. And then we topped it off with a top coat that makes it nice and shiny, so it's almost like you can dip your finger in the paint. Ceramic Pro Gold actually comes with a lifetime warranty. It goes on the VIN of the vehicle, so when you pull a Carfax report, you can see that this vehicle has been ceramic coated. And it includes the paint. We actually ceramic coat the outer wheels, the plastics, the leather, the textiles, and the glass. And again, it's guaranteed for the lifetime of the vehicle.